don't know why these niggas need so many sandwiches.
I mean, he came out with a real stuffed bag. Like, his bag was to the top of the handles.
Nigga came out with 100 sandwiches.
Like,
why is these niggas eating 100 Popeyes chicken sandwiches?
They should have put a limit on them. They like, no, like 2 per person at least. Like, nigga.
For real, this line is, we in the street.
It's about 3-4 cars behind us on the street.
On living noise with it.
I'm trying to flip that sound. Yeah, that nigga did.
That nigga walked out that bitch with 50. That nigga had so many sandwiches.
Man, I'm about to record every motherfucker that's about to come out of here.
Duh. Damn, I should have got that nigga. I had just cut off the camera.
Wait, we got somebody else coming out.
Who?
Oh, this nigga. He just went in.
He went in and walked out. That nigga's probably disappointed.
Yeah, because that nigga look like he a porter. How you gonna drive the car that you poured in to lunch?
Nigga, that ain't even your shit. That's fucking GM shit, nigga.
What?
Nigga, I knew that was that nigga in a GM. That nigga in a GM shit. That's GM shit.
Like,
take
you
your
know,
shit
good and
back.
goddamn well. You supposed to take your motherfucking ass to where they be going? Flat Rock.
Take your ass back to Flat Rock, boy.
Nigga, don't drop that whip off. Put the keys in the cup holder. Nigga.
How many sandwiches? These niggas walking out with whole bags of sandwiches, dog.
It'd be so funny seeing people smile thinking they about to get in quicker. It's like, nah, nigga, it's gonna be the same way.
They hiring $10 an hour at this bitch. Alright, so we got our Popeyes chicken sandwiches. Cuz went in, stood in line for us. Niggas got the Popeyes chicken sandwiches, yo.
Damn.
So it was about an hour wait. Oh shit. It was about an hour wait for real. We was waiting outside and we had to go inside. But it was inside though. We had Popeyes in Detroit.
I'm not gonna bite it. I was about to bite the fuck out of my shit.
Yeah. Alright, y'all world. I got this chicken sandwich. As y'all can see, it took me a minute to get it. It took me about an hour just to touch this motherfucker. Y'all see how it look. I ain't got no sauce on this motherfucker. Like, dang. Let's just see how it tastes. I just tore a little piece. Oh yeah. This bitch a winner. Damn. I see why people was going crazy over this, man. When I say people was in that bitch ordering 50 sandwiches, I ain't lying. Man, that's really the bun for real. Well, yeah. Shout out to Popeyes. I'm out. Peace.